Cotton. It's a word that evokes images of comfort, durability, and versatility. From the clothes we wear to the sheets we sleep on, cotton is an integral part of our daily lives. This natural fiber, derived from the fluffy bolls of the cotton plant, has clothed and sheltered humanity for millennia. Its journey from field to market is a fascinating tale of agricultural ingenuity, global trade, and textile innovation. The story of cotton is deeply intertwined with human civilization. Its impact extends far beyond its practical uses, influencing economies, shaping cultures, and even sparking conflicts. Understanding the journey of cotton from field to market is to embark on a journey through history, economics, and the intricate relationship between humanity and the natural world. This essay delves into the fascinating world of cotton, exploring its rich history, cultivation practices, and the intricate processes involved in transforming fluffy bolls into everyday essentials. We will unravel the complexities of global cotton trade, examine the environmental challenges associated with its production, and highlight the sustainable practices paving the way for a more responsible and ethical cotton industry. Join us as we trace the journey of this ubiquitous fiber from field to market. The use of cotton predates recorded history, stretching back to the dawn of human civilization. Archaeological evidence suggests that cotton was cultivated and used in the Indus Valley Civilization as far back as 5000 BC, making it one of the earliest known fibers used by humans. Ancient civilizations across the globe, from Egypt to Peru, recognized the value of this versatile fiber. They utilized cotton not only for clothing but also for various other purposes, showcasing its adaptability. These early societies developed sophisticated techniques for cultivating, spinning, and weaving cotton into fabrics. Their methods laid the foundation for the textile industry as we know it today. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in the history of cotton, transforming it from a cottage industry to a major industrial sector. The invention of the spinning jenny and the power loom in the 18th century mechanized cotton textile production, drastically increasing efficiency and output. This mechanization led to a surge in demand for raw cotton, transforming the industry and fueling the growth of global trade. Cotton became a key commodity in international markets. The southern United States, with its vast plantations and slave labor, became a dominant force in cotton production, supplying the raw material needed for burgeoning textile mills. The cotton gin, invented by Eli Whitney in 1793, revolutionized cotton processing by automating the removal of seeds, making cotton production more efficient. This invention, while boosting cotton production, tragically intensified the demand for slave labor, forever linking the history of cotton with the dark chapter of slavery. The human cost of this agricultural boom was immense. The abolition of slavery in the 19th century and the rise of industrialization in other parts of the world led to significant shifts in the global cotton landscape. New technologies and labor practices emerged. Today, cotton production is a global enterprise, with countries like China, India, and the United States leading the way. Modern advancements in agriculture and technology continue to shape the industry, ensuring cotton remains a staple in our lives.
Modern cotton farming is a blend of traditional knowledge and technological advancements. Farmers carefully select cotton varieties based on factors such as fiber quality, yield potential, and resistance to pests and diseases. The planting process typically begins in the spring when the soil is warm enough for seed germination.
Traditional methods of cotton cultivation often involve manual labor for tasks such as planting, weeding, and irrigation. In many parts of the world, farmers still rely on animal-drawn plows to prepare the land for planting. However, mechanization has significantly transformed cotton farming, particularly in developed countries. Large-scale cotton farms utilize tractors and other machinery for various operations, including planting, fertilization, and pest control.
Precision agriculture techniques, such as GPS-guided tractors and drone technology, are increasingly being adopted to optimize resource use and improve efficiency. Cotton plants require ample sunlight, warm temperatures, and adequate water to thrive. Irrigation plays a crucial role in cotton production, particularly in arid and semi-arid regions. Farmers employ various irrigation methods, including furrow irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation, to ensure the plants receive sufficient water throughout their growth cycle.
Section 4. Reaping the harvest, picking and ginning cotton. The cotton plant's journey from field to market reaches a crucial stage during harvest time. This is the moment when months of careful cultivation and nurturing culminate in the collection of the valuable cotton fibers. As the cotton bolls mature and burst open, revealing the fluffy white fibers within, the fields transform into a sea of white, ready for picking. This visual transformation is a signal to farmers that the time to harvest has arrived. The timing of the harvest is critical, as delaying it can result in fiber quality deterioration and yield losses. Farmers must carefully monitor the fields to ensure they pick the cotton at the optimal moment. Traditionally, cotton picking was a labor-intensive process with workers manually harvesting the cotton bolls from the plants. This method required significant manpower and time, often under harsh conditions. However, mechanization has revolutionized this aspect of cotton farming. The introduction of mechanical cotton pickers has drastically reduced the labor required and increased the efficiency of the harvest. Mechanical cotton pickers, large machines that straddle the rows of cotton plants, efficiently remove the cotton bolls, separating the fibers from the burrs and other plant debris. These machines can cover vast areas in a fraction of the time it would take to pick by hand. Once harvested, the cotton, now referred to as seed cotton, undergoes the ginning process to separate the cotton fibers from the seeds. This step is crucial in preparing the cotton for further processing. Eli Whitney's invention of the cotton gin in the late 18th century revolutionized this process, making it significantly faster and more efficient. The cotton gin's impact on the industry cannot be overstated. Modern cotton gins utilize a combination of saws and rotating cylinders to separate the fibers from the seeds, leaving behind clean, ready-to-process cotton fibers. These advanced machines ensure that the cotton is of high quality and free from impurities. After ginning, the cotton fibers, now compressed into large bales, are graded and classified based on quality factors such as fiber length, strength, and uniformity. This grading process is essential for determining the value and potential uses of the cotton. These bales of cotton are then ready for their journey into the global marketplace, where they will be transformed into a myriad of textile products. From clothing to home goods, the cotton harvested and processed will touch lives around the world. Section 5. The White Gold Rush Cotton's Global Trade. Cotton, often referred to as white gold, is one of the most important agricultural commodities in the world, driving a complex and dynamic global trade network. Its significance cannot be overstated, as it forms the backbone of the textile industry, which is essential for clothing and other fabric-based products. Millions of farmers, especially in developing countries, depend on cotton cultivation for their livelihoods. These farmers often work on small family-run farms where cotton is not just a crop, but a way of life, passed down through generations. The journey of cotton from field to market is a testament to the interconnectedness of the global economy. From the hands of farmers to processing factories and finally to international markets, each step highlights the intricate web of global trade. The global cotton market is influenced by a multitude of factors, including supply and demand dynamics, weather patterns, government policies, and speculative trading. These elements create a constantly shifting landscape that requires careful navigation by all stakeholders involved.
Major cotton-producing countries such as China, India, the United States, Brazil, and Pakistan play a pivotal role in shaping the global market. Each of these countries contributes significantly to the global supply, influencing prices and trade flows. China, the world's largest producer and consumer of cotton, exerts significant influence on global cotton prices. Its vast textile industry is a major driver of demand, making China a key player in the global cotton trade. Its massive textile industry relies heavily on cotton imports to meet its domestic demand. This dependency on imports underscores the interconnected nature of global cotton trade, where production and consumption are often separated by vast distances. The United States, while a major producer, is also the world's largest cotton exporter, shipping a significant portion of its production to countries like Vietnam, Pakistan, and Turkey. This export activity is crucial for the U.S. economy and for meeting global cotton demand.
The cotton trade is not without its challenges. Adverse weather conditions such as storms and droughts can severely impact cotton yields, posing significant risks to farmers. Price volatility, driven by factors such as weather events, geopolitical instability, and market speculation, can significantly impact the livelihoods of cotton farmers, particularly smallholder farmers in developing countries. These fluctuations can make it difficult for farmers to plan and sustain their operations. Moreover, concerns over sustainability, labor practices, and the environmental impact of cotton production have prompted calls for greater transparency and ethical sourcing practices within the industry. Efforts are being made to adopt more sustainable farming methods and ensure fair labor practices, aiming to create a more equitable and environmentally friendly cotton industry. Section 6. Spinning yarns of innovation, cotton manufacturing. The transformation of raw cotton fibers into the fabrics and textiles we use every day is a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. The cotton manufacturing process involves a series of intricate steps, each contributing to the final product's quality and characteristics. Upon arrival at textile mills, the bales of cotton are first opened, and the fibers are loosened and cleaned to remove any remaining impurities. This process, known as carding, aligns the cotton fibers in a parallel manner, preparing them for spinning.
The spinning process involves twisting the cotton fibers together to form yarn. The spinning method employed influences the yarn's characteristics, such as its thickness, strength, and texture. Different spinning techniques, such as ring spinning, open-end spinning, and air jet spinning, produce yarns with distinct properties, catering to various textile applications.
The spun yarn is then woven or knitted into fabrics. Weaving involves interlacing two sets of yarns at right angles to create a woven fabric, while knitting uses a single yarn to create interlocking loops, resulting in a knitted fabric. The choice of weaving or knitting technique, along with factors such as yarn type and fabric construction, determines the final fabric's properties, such as its drape, durability, and breathability.